Hi, this is Mark from Vision Australia Seeing Eye Dogs. I'm going to show you how to stop your puppy from jumping up. Puppies will often jump up because they want attention, so what you need to do is simply stand still and not make eye contact with the puppy when it's jumping up, and just wait for them to get down. As soon as they get down, you can reward them with praise and also a piece of food. You need to be quite quick with the food so you get it to them before they jump up again. And if you're consistent with that, over time the pup will learn, if I'm jumping up, I won't get any attention at all, but if I come and stand in front of you nicely, or I sit, I will get a piece of food and praise. And they will quickly learn that that's a better behaviour to offer you than jumping up.